फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का वंस अगेन हेयर। एक इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट आ रही है जो कि ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन की है। रिपोर्ट ऑफ लीगल कमेटी ऑन द रिकवरी ऑफ कॉम्यूटेशन अमाउंट, तो ये ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरी फेडरेशन की तरफ से पब्लिश हुआ है। द यूनियन वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड फॉर द पेंशनर्स एंड वी ऑलवेज बो डाउन। रिस्पेक्ट ऑलवेज है यूनियन के लिए, एंड ऑल द यूनियंस आर वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड फॉर द बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं सभी यूनियंस। रिकवरी ऑफ कॉम्यूटेशन अमाउंट सबमिटेड बाय मिस्टर के विश्वनाथन नाइक जी, कन्वीनर है, मिस्टर NSN रेड्डी जी, मेंबर, मिस्टर RK अग्रवाल जी, मेंबर। AIBRF लीगल कमेटी 17 सितंबर 2024 की रिपोर्ट है दोस्तों। आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू द रिपोर्ट। रिपोर्ट काफ़ी बड़ी है। यहाँ पे मैं आई डोंट नो वेदर आई विल बी एबल टू कंप्लीट इट बिकॉज काफ़ी लेंथी है। स्टार्ट करते हैं। AIBRF ऑफिस बियरर्स डिसाइडेड टू फॉर्म अ लीगल कमेटी एंड हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कमेटी एंड इट्स मीटिंग हेल्ड एट अहमदाबाद 3rd and 4th July 24. Following this, AIBRF through its letter number 24 by 118 dated 14th of July 24 informed about the formation of legal committee along with that of medical insurance committee. It was informed in the circular that AIBRF has been pursuing various issues of retirees like basic pension, eligibility on special allowances for this retired under 10th to 12th settlement, gratuity entitlements in the light of recent legal judgments, commutation, recovery, etc. And it was further stated that the legal committee will study legal aspects of pending issues of retiree and submits its report offering suggestions and recommendations to central office for further action. The communication also informed that the office bearers and CC members may send their suggestions to the concerned committees, which would be taken into consideration while carrying out the study of subjects. In line with the communication from the central office, the legal committee जो कि 17 जुलाई 24 को met हुई है दोस्तों, and in consultation and with the approval of General Secretary of AIBRF listed the following issues for consideration for the time being. दैट इफ पेंशन अपडेशन, पेंशन ऑन स्पेशल अलाउंस, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट उठाया यहाँ पे। ग्रेचुटी, रिकवरी ऑफ कम्यूटेशन, ब्रिंगिंग IB अंडर द एम्बिट ऑफ RTI एक्ट एंड एनी अदर रेलिवेंट मैटर कंसर्निंग द retirees. Good. The legal committee has received a few suggestions from our members and representatives, and the committee met through video conferences on 1st August 24 and thereafter on 5 occasions on BC to consider the issues. While the committee was in direction of processing these suggestions and the study the same for deciding its suggestions, recommendations, the matter of issues concerning retirees, the issues relating to the recovery of commutation amount came to center stage because of certain developments. Hence the legal committee decided to submit a report on this issue first, pending report on the other issues. The background of issues relating to recovery और कॉम्यूटेशन आपको पता ही है दोस्तों। द फर्स्ट इज़ अ डिवीज़न बेंच जो कि हॉनरेबल पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट है, comprising of Justice Mr. Sanjeev Prakash ji and Honorable Justice Sudeepti Sharma ji, have passed interim orders reducing the period of recovery of commutation amount from 180 months to 128, जो कि 10 साल 8 महीने बनते हैं, in respect of Punjab and Haryana state government pensioners. The number of one such writ petition is CWP 11681 of 2024. ये है उसका नंबर। कॉन्सिक्वेंट टू दिस इंटरिम ऑर्डर, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ हरियाणा फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्डर 1/15/2024 pension FD dated 16 July 24 has decided to stop the recovery of commuted value of pension till the vacation of stay orders from all the pensioners of Haryana state government which have completed 10 years of retirement or above. Similarly, orders were passed by the state government of Punjab also. Following these interim orders of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana, bank retirees have also approached the same court with writ petitions. One of these series of writ petitions is CWP number 14058 by 2024, Mr. Chandan Mohan Tandon ji and others versus Union of India and others. So in this writ petitions it was prayed as follow: issuance of a writ of certiorari. So यहाँ पे रिट की टाइप्स होते हैं दोस्तों, मैनमडस, सैनिटरी। तो यहाँ पे ये रिट थी सैनिटरी टाइप की। क्वैशिंग रेगुलेशन 41(5) ऑफ बैंक एम्प्लॉयज पेंशन रेगुलेशन 1995। सो बीइंग कॉन्ट्ररी टू द इंटरेस्ट of the retired employee, so as the commuted amount of pension is being recovered in just 11 years and 2 months as per the interest rate formula, but the same is continued to be recovered by the welfare state till 15 years. So consequently, to hold the same to be legal and arbitrary, being ultra vires of the provision of the Constitution of India, as well as on the grounds that the same is causing undue enrichment to the state, and it also does not have any rational objective and intelligible differentia to be achieved. To issue a writ of mandamus directing the respondents to restore petitioners full pension immediately on expiry of 11 years and 2 months instead of 15 years as provided for in regulation 41(5) of bank pension regulation 1995, since the amount already stands recovered by the employer and state. सो यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स जो 15 साल का अवधि थी पहले उसको कम करा गया है बाय द ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट, और उसे कम करके नियर बाय 10 to 11 ईयर्स करा गया है बाय द कोर्ट. सो विथ फर्दर प्रेयर्स दैट recovery of commuted value from pension behind the period of 12 years or 70 year of age may kindly be stayed during the pendency of the present writ petition in the light of orders dated 6th of September 2016, 9th of February 2024 and 17th of May 2024, so passed by the Honorable Court of Punjab and Haryana in similar writ petitions. Fourth point, the petitioner may kindly be exempted from filling of certified copies of annexures with the writ petitions. The condition of serving advance notices of writ petition to the respondents may kindly be dispensed with. So cost may kindly be also awarded to the petitioner. So far few hundreds of bank retirees have approached and have obtained the interim order. So यहाँ पे जो रिटायरीज हैं वो इंडिविजुअली केस को फाइल कर रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स, और वो अपना पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर ले के बैंक के पास जा रहे हैं भी हमारी कॉम्पिटिशन को कम करा जाए, कॉम्पिटिशन पीरियड को. सो इन अ पैरेलल डेवलपमेंट द सेंट्रल अपीलेट ट्रिब्यूनल जयपुर हैज़ पास्ड एन ऑर्डर इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ पेंशनर ऑफ रेलवेज. सो रेलवे में भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ है. सो उनकी भी जो रिकवरी है वो 10.8 ईयर्स कर दी गई है. सो जो एक्सेस रिकवरी है 4.4 ईयर्स की, वो पैसे रिफंड करने पड़ेंगे टू द पेंशनर्स. सो द रिडक्शन ऑफ कम्यूटेड पेंशन फॉर दोज हु हैव ऑलरेडी कम्यूटेड 10.8 years of retirement should be stopped immediately. So we have also come across Rajya Sabha Answered question 430 raised by Shri Neeraj Dangi ji, answered on 22nd July 21 regarding as follow. So जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्ड क्वेश्चन राज्यसभा में पूछा गया हमारे, well the honorable prime minister be pleased to state the formula for calculating the commuted pension for employees of union government. Second question था the rate of interest for FD when 14 years was decided as the recovery period for commuted value of pension, whether this recovery period is justified in the present scenario जब FD का रेट सिर्फ 5 से 6% है, whether government is willing to revise the period of recovery. So इसका जो आंसर यहाँ पे दिया गया है that is Minister of State in the Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pension and Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office Dr. Jitendra Singh ji. The lump sum commuted value of pension payable to pensioner who applies for such commutation is calculated in accordance with the table of value जो कि अपेंडिक्स हुआ in the Central Civil Services Rule जो कि 1981 के है. And the copy of the table presently applicable for calculating the commuted value of pension is at annexure. So the commuted amount of pension is restored on completion of 15 years from the date of reduction of pension becomes operative. So यहाँ पे एक टेबल की रेफरेंस ली गई है जो कि 1981 के रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग है, जो कि CCS रूल्स होते हैं, राइट फ्रेंड्स. बट यहाँ पे जो दिक्कत है, जो एग्जिस्टिंग टेबल है of the values for calculation of lump sum commuted value of pension was incorporated in the Central Civil
Services Rules 1981 is in implementation of the recommendations of 6th Central Pay Commission, White Department of Pension and Pensions Welfare. So the table is based on LIC ultimate tables and the interest rate कितने 8% का. So while recommending the aforesaid table, the 6th Central Pay Commission did not recommend any change in the period of 15 years for restoration of commuted pension. So the 7th Central Pay Commission also did not recommend any change. उसने भी recommend नहीं करा in the said period of restoration of commuted pension. So Honorable High Court of Delhi by order dated 17th January 2019 dismissed a writ petition number 1222 by 2015 seeking reduction in the period for restoration of commuted pension filed against the said order of Honorable High Court of Delhi was also dismissed by Honorable Supreme Court on 15th April 2019. So at present, in view of above, there is no proposal to revise the period of restoration. So दोस्तों ये बहुत बड़ी अपडेट है. So यहाँ पे आप साइन देख सकते हैं. अगर if any of the friends want to get a copy, so very easily we will provide it here. So that's all for this session. So kindly share the update, subscribe to the channel, friends. Thank you.